84-85, Mumbai's under-19 team had come to Baroda to play under-19 Kuch Bihar Trophy match, and Mr. Vijay Manjrekar was appointed as the manager of the team. The team arrived in Baroda by the Baroda Express at 6 o'clock, and 7:30 I got a telephone call from Mr. Vijay Manjrekar ordering me come to the hotel at 10 o'clock and take me to Captain Vijay Halare's place. I said, sir, match hai, sham ko milenge na? No, 10 o'clock you have to come and take me there. Vijay Manjrekar made no argument. So I went there at 10 o'clock, took him with me, and I went to Captain Halare's house, very near from there. We went inside, since I had already talked to him, he was ready to meet him. He was sitting outside along with his wife. And I just parked my scooter and he was there. He did not even wait for me how to go. He saw him there, so he simply walked. He will not believe, in Marathi it is Sashtan with a mustache. Even Halare was surprised. What is he doing? Then they had tea and everything. They talked about for 15-20 minutes, and when everything was over, I took him to leave him at the hotel. When I went to the hotel, I said, Vijay Rao, I have never seen such things in my life. How has it happened? He did not say any word, he only commented only one thing. In Indian cricket, there are only two batsmen, two great cricketers in India. One is Vijay Manjrekar. And I said, second, to mala baap. These words, no other. Yes, sir. Yes, I am talking about Vijay Hazare. He is my father. There is no cricketer who is better than him. In Indian cricket, and that includes Sunil Gavaskar. Vijay Manjrekar added one more thing. When I say two cricketers who are great, one is me and one is him, and this includes, other side includes Sunil Gavaskar. This was Vijay Hazare.